Want to cancel a Boost Mobile line? The easiest method is through the Boost Mobile app. Look for the Account or Manage Lines section, select the line you wish to cancel, and choose Cancel or Remove Line. Confirm your choice. Alternatively, use the live chat feature on the Boost Mobile website or app for 24/7 assistance. Phone support is available at 1-888-BOOST4U, but expect longer wait times. Finally, you can log into My Boost account on the website for self-service options. Most cancellations are now handled digitally, so app or chat are recommended. Make sure to have your account details ready. Boost Mobile primarily offers prepaid plans, meaning no cancellation fees apply for most users. However, if you have a postpaid plan like Boost Infinite with device payments, early termination fees, ETFs, may apply. These can range from $50 to $150, but are waived if you cancel within 30 days of activation. To transfer your number, provide the new carrier's account number and PIN during cancellation to get a port-out PIN from Boost. Number transfers typically take 24 to 48 hours. Remember, once a number transfer is initiated, it's irreversible. Back up your data beforehand. Also, return any Boost Mobile equipment within 30 days of cancellation to avoid charges.